Hey people, so this is a mix swirl for 56 rupees that you get it at McDonald's has a special ice cream brand, I guess. And we are at the DSN Virtue Mall, and this ice cream is melting. So this is for the first time I've heard that downstairs there is apparently a library. So I'm going to check that out. But this is the M. That's me. Hello. So yeah. I'm so glad I'm part of this. I don't know how I'm going to. It's going to be a bit dicey. I'll take off my phone. But this is the DSN Virtue Mall. It seems like a nice place, really. And I am holding this ice cream and roaming. Look at my logic. But anyway, this is how it is. I can't wait to have my ice cream and can't wait for this video to be 1 minute long, which is when YouTube gives me the chance to choose my own, the cover image. So yeah, so this is for 56 bucks at DSN Virtue Mall, Mango Swirl. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.